Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're gonna walk through how to fill up Air Suvidha self-declaration form for traveling to India. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Please go and subscribe right now. So guys, the government of India had to reload this Air Suvidha portal again. As you can see on the front itself, they have clearly written to be mandatory filled by all international passengers arriving in India. This is because of the outbreak of Ebola in many countries. Okay, so that's why the government has to keep a close eye on international air travel. Fine. First of all, this process is absolutely free and has to be done within 24 hours of your uh, arrival in India. Okay, clearly they have sort of start of journey. I'm sorry, application to be filled within 24 hours of start of your journey. Okay, so whenever you're gonna begin your journey. So make sure you watch this till the end, and if you have not already subscribed, please go ahead. So this is a free process, nothing to worry about, and they are just collecting basic details. Okay, so first stage: personal details, contact, OTP, health declaration, and verification and submission. And if you have already submitted with the reference number and passport number, you can click here to edit and you can edit the details. Okay, fine. So let's begin. So I'm going to put some sample details. You do it as per your own case. So name I put John Smith, gender, but you do it as per your own case. Now these are the known impacted countries. Have you traveled or transited through these in last 21 days, 3 weeks? I select no, but it is based on your case. Nationality, it's a drop down. I select Canada. Passport, be very careful with this. No mistake, no error. You don't want anything to go wrong here. Your age, whatever it is. I wish I could be 18 or 19, but I can't go back. When are you arriving? So let's say I'm arriving on 29. Time I put like too early. Oh yeah, sorry, within 24 hours. So I put this. Yeah, I have 1 hour 31. Wow, wow, wow. Your flight number. Of course, if you are arriving by flight, you have. Seat number is not mandatory because many people get right at the gate, right? So that's why. Now, places to visit in India. What are the places you're going to visit in India? Select based on your case. Okay. District. Let's say going to New Delhi. If you are visiting more than one place, add state district. First port of entry. Where are you going to enter? Bus. I select Delhi. Country of first point of boarding. From where you're going to start your journey. Let's say starting from Canada. When you're going to start, let's say you're going to start here. If you're coming by direct flight, then select no transit or direct flight under countries of transit. But many people have transit stops in between, so that you can select in this drop down. If you have more than one transit stop, click on add transit row and then do. But I select direct. Now next question is about traveling in a group. Are you traveling in a group like with your friends, families, or office colleagues, whatever? If yes, enable this, and you can add a maximum 10 additional, so that means 11 total. But I keep it disabled and click on continue. Visa type. So all types are here, but OCI is not here, so I select others, and then I can say OCI. Wow. Stay type. Let's say you're gonna stay at your relative's friend's residence. Hotel. Of course, you know the address. I'm just putting some sample, guys. Okay. You do it as per your own case. Okay. So pin code, address, district, everything, your email address, and permanent address abroad, whatever it is. Now OTP, you can select. OTP will come on your phone number as well as on your email, so nothing to worry about, and you can change the IST code here if you want to. Click on send OTP. Okay. I just got it's okay. OTP verified. If you're any Indian number, you can definitely do continue to review and consent. Now review all the details that you have entered. Anything you want to make a change, it's time for you to go back and make changes. If you're okay, then there are two check boxes that you want to check and submit. Of course, I'm not going to submit, but once you submit, you get an email with a reference number, and that you should keep handy when you arrive to India so that it's smooth. This is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.